Drinking grapefruit juice every day can have both positive and negative effects on your body, primarily due to its interaction with certain medications and its impact on your overall health. Medication interactions. Grapefruit juice contains compounds that can interfere with the enzymes responsible for breaking down certain medications in your digestive system. This interference can lead to higher levels of the medication in your bloodstream, which can be dangerous. It's important to check with your doctor or pharmacist about any potential interactions if you're on medication. Nutritional benefits. Grapefruit juice is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and other nutrients, which can support your immune system and overall health. Weight management. Some studies suggest that grapefruit juice might aid in weight loss or weight management, although more research is needed to confirm this effect. Impact on blood sugar. Grapefruit juice can affect blood sugar levels. It has a moderate glycemic index, meaning it can cause a moderate increase in blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or are watching your blood sugar levels, it's essential to monitor your intake. Digestive health. The juice contains fiber and can promote better digestion. However, consuming large amounts may cause digestive issues in some individuals. Potential allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to components in grapefruit juice, leading to reactions like hives, itching, or swelling. Hydration benefits. Regular consumption of grapefruit juice can contribute to your overall hydration due to its water content, helping to maintain adequate fluid levels in your body. Skin health. The presence of vitamin C in grapefruit juice supports collagen production, which aids in maintaining healthy skin by promoting elasticity and fighting against skin damage caused by free radicals. Digestive health. Grapefruit juice contains dietary fiber that can promote digestive regularity. However, consuming excessive amounts might lead to gastrointestinal discomfort in some individuals due to its acidic nature. Potential for improved blood pressure. Some studies suggest that regular intake of grapefruit juice might have a positive impact on blood pressure due to its potassium content, which can contribute to overall heart health. Antioxidant properties. The presence of antioxidants like flavonoids and beta-carotene in grapefruit juice can help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Support for immune function. Vitamin C in grapefruit juice plays a role in supporting the immune system, potentially reducing the risk of infections and aiding in faster recovery from illnesses.